As an SC team, how do you provide structured feedback to your product team? In the past, we've tried Slack workflows or forms, but everyone who's been involved in A/B testing knows that when you try and get someone to fill in a form, if it's got too many fields, they're not going to do it. I wanted a way to make this workflow slightly easier. The solution we came up with was a Slackbot. You write to the bot in natural language. This can be done very quickly whilst you're on the demo. You don't have to wait till afterwards. There's no form, there's no structure, very easy to fill out. And then what happens in the background is n8n will pick this up and it will start to do things like, first of all, structure that input. So the natural language comes in, looks like this. Fake customer would like a visual editor for creating emails. They'd also be able to create and save email templates. So that's 2 feature requests and the customer name in natural language. It will then split it out into the summary, the request, the client, a priority, and who it was submitted by. That is then passed on to a full AI agent. The AI agent is going to look for similar feature requests we've had. It's also going to look for categories that we've had in the past, and it's going to try and classify the input here. So here you can see the category it's come out with is workflow enhancements for both of these requests, and these weren't in the input. It knows that because it's looked up in Airtable what all the possible categories are. And then once that's happened, it's going to write it out to 2 records. And that's what you get. You get the output like this. Now, there's obviously loads more requests in here. I've filtered them all out because I don't want to show you the requests that come in. And these are obviously fake ones. So now, having done this, we were able to collect about 50 feature requests in 14 days versus very few that we'd had previously because people wouldn't be bothered to do it. We now have another workflow that every month we can run, and it will look through all of these requests and it will come up with a monthly report that can be submitted to product. It's little things like this. When you're working in startups and fast-moving teams, it's really important that you're embracing this new technology. Not trying to shoehorn it in or trying to use AI where it's not appropriate, but having something, making processes really easy for people, not putting processes in that are going to get in the way of people's work, but work with them to make things better.